Hi, I'm Maile Collmer. I'm a business consultant specializing in business development through relationships. And today I have on with me Deanne Hayes. Her company is Ink It Up Designs, and she specializes in promotional products, anything from a business card to these beautiful custom blinging name badges to everything you would need for a trade show event, tents, banners, car wrapping, all kinds of really cool stuff. So if you want to get your brand out there, she's the gal to do that. And she's got a lot of experience. She used to own a brick and mortar store, so she's a very experienced business owner, has been business networking in our local community for many, many years. And she's also a part of my Certified Networker program, so I invited her on today to share some of her experience. So as an experienced business owner, what drew you to be a part of the Certified Networker program?
I think part of it is seeing the powerful results that I've been hearing about other people in the Certified Networker and the powerful results that they're getting. And you are great with the stats. I'm not so good at the stats, but the more you talk about the stats, I'm like, I want those kind of stats. I want that kind of growth. So that's been really powerful.
And what have been some of the benefits you've experienced thus far?
I think the best thing is having a coach that will actually be there for you, that understands your business, and that we can collaborate together and find ways to be able to go from one step to the next step and set goals that are actually achievable.
Any experience that you want to share about actually being in the room with the other certified networkers?
Oh my gosh. If I miss a week, I'm like having withdrawal because it's a great group. Not only do we have Maile's expertise, but we have this whole room full of people that are from different businesses that have the expertise in their own business, and they share it. And all of a sudden the light bulbs go off and you go, oh, I could use that in my business. Or they're having this great thing and I need to implement that. Or maybe I could tweak this and do just a little bit better. And so it's like having a mastermind on steroids.
Yes. I like to think of it almost like a business advisory board.
Oh, I like that.
Yes, because we're really looking at those deeper strategic elements of growing a business.
And building those really deep relationships, yes, which is great.
So I like it more as an advisory board. So I think that's a great benefit, and I'm glad you're experiencing the energy of the room. If someone else is considering the Certified Networker program, what would you say to them about why they might want to go ahead and pull the trigger and do it?
Well, I want to say that the most successful people out there have always had a coach. And if you do not have a coach in your business, like Maile, then you are totally missing out. Because she actually has been in business not only as a realtor for many years, but now as an actual business coach. And she gets it. She's been down in the trenches and can see what needs to be adjusted and the goals that might need to be set. And so with that experience, she has a listening ear, and she helps you. Like the other day we were talking and we were like throwing spaghetti on the wall to see which sticks. And I came up with some great ideas from her great advice. Having a coach that listens and can help you implement and see beyond all the chaos we all need in a business.
Absolutely. And I believe even great business coaches need coaches, and so I've always invested in myself and had a coach myself because we can't see our own stuff, right?
Right.
And so it's great to get that
forest for the tree,
right? So that have that outside perspective. So thank you, Deanne. If you are interested in some coaching, being a part of the Certified Networker program and getting your own board of advisors for your business, please connect with me. I'd love to connect with you and see what's going on in your business and how I might be able to help you. I'm Maile Collmer with Asentiv.